Hey guys, my name's Tom and I'm getting into RC and 3D. I welcome you to my channel, I hope you're having a great day, and today we will be checking this Eken action camera on the RC car that I've been working on in this video. Let's get started. As you can see, the low light recording quality of this camera is, let's say, average. Honestly, the footage directly from Eken looked like this. It definitely was too dark and needed some color grading. So after a few seconds in Davinci Resolve, this is the result. Not bad, I would say. For example, this is the same setup recorded with my main camera, which is Samsung Galaxy S10. That's clearly a difference, so I guess my Galaxy S10 is safe for now. But the purpose of this video is to put this Eken action camera on the RC car, which is in my case Overmax X-Rally 2.0 from my previous video. So these are all the parts included with the Eken action camera. I'm sure we can find something that will let us mount it on top. So how about professional zip ties mount? At this point I was pretty much sure that the center of gravity is really too high. But let me show you some of the recorded footage anyway. Obviously I need to find a better way to mount this camera on the car, so see you in part 2.